Namaste, bonjour, Jaminato, and Nara. Actually, this is me, Tilka, your youth and those standing by the side of New Zone studying cat case of Kerala. Today we are here to present a trailer of IELTS interview. So let's quit it. Before starting, I would like to introduce my partner who is going to play a role of interviewer in this video. He is Mr. Ruweg Rana. So let's start.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, sir, may I come in?
Yeah, come inside.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Please take a seat.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So, Miss Sudha, please introduce yourself.
Of course, I'm honored of being answerable for myself in front of a great personality. Well, so this is my Filda Radha, who holds the virtues of a man who installed integrity, honesty, and politeness into me. So Sohaib Radha. I belongs to a place which is first choice of a man bearing their name, but the marble city, Makrana. And recently I have joined. 5 months ago, I have been graded in 7th standard from a CBSE school, Makrana, and I was getting a transformative course from Newton Makrana, who have been so much lucky to me. My interest includes resonance, sketching, and editing, and I am keen to pursue my career in interior and exterior design.
Well, very nice. May I know that how does your habits carries you to your dreams?
Yes, sir, let me answer this question of yours. Actually, this is not just a dream for me. These are my first priority. And of course, I was confused as every child that what I have to be. But finally, I got something that feels like made for me. So that draws me to my efforts and my career.
Okay, as you just mentioned that I was a bit confused. So how did this confusion removed out?
Actually, sir, I was confused being a scientist and doctor, fashion designer, and I chose something that was specific, known as interior design. I used to feel that these are very common, but let's see what if I be the next best. I went to my dad and told him that what should I be? He told whatever you have to be that, but complete it. So here I got this inspirations of painting.
Okay, you mean to say that your father was a role model to give you this dream, yeah?
Yes, sir, that's right.
Okay, so how did he help you to give you this target?
Let me connect it with the last previous question.
Sure.
As I went to him, he showed me some pictures of some famous architecture of Makrana. Then he showed me some designs from his gallery that motivated me, and he passed me his early notebook sketching because he was an art student. So he told me and showed me some designs. So every day he teaches me making sketching or all the things.
Okay, let me go with next question that who is the one personality has influenced you up very much? Please tell that.
So actually, I consider myself to have influenced me too much because when I was stuck with everything that not that, not this, was confused in making the decision. I helped myself, not others, or didn't ask from others. I just took myself forward and step ahead.
Okay, well nowadays generation like you are around 10, 13. So how does this generation you feel that will improve very much?
So, nowadays, if I pass a logical and a practical answer, so this generation is going with technology like AI, Gemini, ChatGPT. That is a previous point with this generation. Like everyone get help, they have confusion. No need to get it from books or previous something. They just get it from these apps and they grow every day. There are particular apps in which 10 years old kids are inventing their own ideas and sharing, and they are getting sales and starting their own business with such a...
Well, your ideologies are literally good. What do you think about Gen Z?
So probably I think about Gen Z who were born between 1996 or till 2000. So probably they are considered Gen Z. I think about them, they are the generation who are very lazier. It's not talking about the facts that they are little step back and they are also considered senior in schooling, in age, but till that they are little back and after being 30 they will be totally. But till that, no need to think about all of this. We have to just come on the direction and the point of view of solution. That they must work with the personality and political situations.
Okay. Well, as we are talking about these Gen or the current affairs, tell me three current affairs you think that will be the street for everyone.
Oh, you mean to say that the major current
Yeah.
climatic mode?
Yeah. Please say.
Yeah. So, first of all, like last 4 years ago, we have faced against COVID-19 pandemic. So, of course, it will definitely go in and see that how the world has faced about it. Afterwards, technology like AI. And I think that Palestine and Israel war will also be the part of history.
Well, my next question is that how do you control your emotions?
Do you mean to say that when I'm angry?
Whatever. How do you control your every emotions?
So I do not cry when I'm angry. I just drink a glass of water which controls me, or I just read books which motivates me, and I listen some sad songs.
How would you react if somebody was helping you and nowadays he's just gone from your life?
I do not feel that. Yeah, that's a pretty good question, but I do not have any idea about it.
In your problem. Tell me something about your father that literally influenced you and your overall family.
So that, of course, for every girl, for every child, the parents are super great. But for me, it hits really different. As I look at my dad, it gives me a different vibration. And I sometimes have to be kidding with him, sometimes he becomes my teacher, advisor, or a guidance point of view. So just me and my father, as always. He has also completes the desire which is normal, but somewhere he helped me when I was totally dull. He gave me that motivation. He told me simple thing that motivation means working under the pressure. If you have consistency, then you will be forever ahead in your life.
Okay, talking about related to parents, here's a different meaning. Well, I have another question that what do you think a child must follow their parents' success path?
So I feel that they must follow but they have given birth and all those things. But till then if they feel that that's wrong. Somewhere it's also that you must take your own decision by your own. So it should be that if you find it wrong, you must take decision by yourself.
Okay. How do you motivate yourself and what does motivate means for you?
So motivation means for me that today you have to be motivated, the next time you will be the same. For that you have to need consistency of being everything. If you need that, motivation just helps you to be, if you are listening a motivational speaker, so you will be motivated till that. But if you will be demotivated again, you will listen. So it's better to have consistency.
Okay. Well, my last question is that you mentioned about teamwork. So what are the specific parts of your life at Unison you have spent and you literally found changes over to yourself?
So first of all, a proud moment for me is that I am facing the interview with you just because of English on English Training Academy, which have provided me interview skills. And afterwards is in the congested and remote area, urban area. Of course, it's little critical managing yourself, utilizing your time. Speaking English is very great. So here English Zone helped me. They just didn't told me what is English, taught me each and everything. The etiquette starts from there.
Well, it was a very nice meeting with you. I hope you'll be doing great in your life. So we'll meet, if God wills, we'll meet next time. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much.